It will separate that head with another branch on its own. Okay, now let's say we've already properly created our flowchart and you've started. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a flowchart on Microsoft Word. So creating a flowchart on Microsoft Word will take a lot of work, a lot of writing, and you need to be able to understand the basics when it comes to what shapes are used for specific parts or components in the flowchart. So on the screen right now I'm going to be showing you some of the shapes that are usually used when it comes to a flowchart. So use this as your reference while doing this tutorial. Okay, so here are the basics. How are you going to be able to create a flowchart? Well, first of all, here we are on Microsoft Word. Make sure you have your Microsoft Word open. And what you need to do is you go over here to Smart Art. And then from here, you need to choose Hierarchy, because we're trying to create a flowchart, for example, and it's the closest that we get to a flowchart. So from here, let's say we want to use this very first one, and so we have the text over here, and it looks like it's just gonna be a big text, and we don't want it to be like that. To make it simpler for us, we just head over here to the left arrow here and just click on it, and then here we can start modifying the text that we have on our screen. Let's say we're just gonna change this into like start. So that's the beginning of our flowchart, and then let's turn this into like some sort of like procedure 1 or something. So as you can see, while we're modifying each text right here, it also modifies the other text. Okay, so this is just a sample, and it's not really much like a flowchart. So I'm just gonna be showing you what else you can do. So another thing you can do is if you press enter from here, or enter twice, enter then back here, it will create other shapes or other boxes where you can insert your other information. For example, if there are more than just these 3 boxes here, you just press enter, and as you can see, it will add another one. If there is another another head, then you can just press backspace, and as you can see, it will move that other box there. Another thing you can do is you can start from the head itself and then just press enter, and then it will just add another one. And then you can add another separate part here by pressing enter again, and then press tab to move it to another then it will start another branch on its own. It will separate that head with another branch on its own. Okay, now let's say we've already properly created our flowchart and you've already organized it to however you want it to look like. And you want each shape to follow the same standard shapes that are used when it comes to a flowchart as used in our reference earlier. Now what you just need to do is to click on one of the shapes here and go over to format, and then you click on change shape, and as you can see here to flowchart, you'll see if you hover your cursor that you'll see what each shape is made for. So this diamond here is for decision, this is for data, this is for predefined process, this is for internal storage, etc, etc. And that's it. That is how you can create a flowchart using Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.